Could this be the month I never have to work again? I've held Aviva shares for so long. How much have they paid me this month? I've been growing my dividend portfolio for just over a decade. I have a fairly ordinary job in the education sector, but I've been drip feeding any spare money each month into mainly FTSE 100 companies and letting the dividends compound over time. I use a stocks and shares ISA to protect everything from tax. This is not financial advice, so please do your own research. Welcome to my October dividend unboxing. Right, welcome back to my dividend unboxing for October. And thanks for all the comments. Many of you seem to find this useful. So here we go again. I forgot to mention last time that all the dividends I receive are tax-free. I make good use of a stocks and shares ISA. Also, a few comments indicated that it would be helpful to show how much I have in each company as we go along. So I'll put that on the screen. Okay, on the 2nd of October, we had premium bonds. And they pay an average of 1% yield, £150 last month, so doesn't feel like a million, but let's see what we've got this month. And that is £75 premium bonds. On the 5th of October, we had an ETF. It's the iShares S&P 500 ETF, which I've recently got into ETFs. They were not such a mainstream thing when I first started this portfolio. The yield is 1%, but you do get exposure to some amazing American giants. And the dividends was £10, but I've just started buying these particular ETFs. And on the 7th of October, a favourite of mine is Aviva. And this is a multinational insurance company, 33 million customers. The yield is 5.7%. And I received my first ever dividend from this company way back in 2009. And it kind of changed everything about the way I invest. If you want to hear how that happened, I'll leave a link at the end to that particular video. And this time they paid £135 from Aviva. Also on the 7th of October was GSK. They are the 10th largest pharmaceutical company in the world, and the yield is 5.4%. And this month they paid, that's £230 from GSK. And the third company to pay out on the 7th of October was Diageo. They operate in more than 180 countries and include brands such as Guinness, and it's the largest producer of Scotch whisky. The yield is 2%, and it's one of those companies that Warren Buffett refers to as having an economic moat, giving it competitive advantage and pricing power. And this month they paid, let's have a look, that is £235 from Diageo. Finally, we've got IG Group, and they paid out on the 21st of October. This is a FTSE 250 financial services company, and it's benefited from the rise in online trading. And I've only recently been buying IG in the last year, but they pay a dividend of 5.4%, and this month they have paid that is £170 from IG. So the total was £855, and all my dividends are tax-free because I make sure that my highest paying dividends are within the ISA, and anything else does not cross the dividend allowance. Please give this a thumbs up if you want me to keep doing these unboxing videos. Click up here if you want to check out my record-breaking dividend month in September, and click here if you want to see how I created this dividend portfolio.